This is a civil emergency message for Savannah, Georgia, effective until 9:15 a.m. Thursday. Catastrophic flooding is occurring due to Hurricane Iris. Iris made landfall as a dangerous Category 4 hurricane on Ossabaw Island earlier this evening. Law enforcement officials in Savannah have reported catastrophic flooding due to storm surge. Water rescues are ongoing in the area. Do not swim in flooded waters. Power lines have also been knocked down into the waters. Residents of the Savannah area must stop filter water usage at this time. Please only use bottled water. Officials have also reported several buildings submerged in water. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground immediately. The National Guard has been deployed and will be making further rescue operations in Savannah. If you are in need of assistance, please call 911 or send a signal for help. Do not hesitate, as doing so will risk your life.